Another day, another story. Hi, guys. Today, I'm going to summarize The Lean Startup by Eric Ries and 7 sentences in the book. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries emphasizes the importance of validated learning as a crucial part of the Lean Startup methodology. Validated learning is the process of using data to make informed decisions about what products to build and how to build them. This approach involves testing assumptions, gathering data, and learning from that data to make informed decisions. Validated learning is important because it allows startups to minimize risk and maximize their chances of success. By testing assumptions and gathering data, startups can avoid wasting time and resources building products that customers don't want. 1. According to Ries, one of the biggest problems facing startups is time, resources, and energy that occurs when customers make unwanted products, and to prevent this, Ries recommends building a minimum viable product, MVP, as soon as possible. MVP is a basic version of a product that can be tested with early adopters that provide feedback that can be used to improve the product. 2. Ries emphasizes the importance of proven learning. Verified learning is the process of using data to make informed decisions about the products to be deployed and how to deploy them. This approach involves testing assumptions, collecting data, and learning from those data to make informed decisions. We say that proven learning is important because startups can minimize risk and maximize their chances of success. Startups don't waste time and resources creating products that customers don't want by testing homes and collecting data. By measuring progress through key performance indicators, KPIs, and other indicators, startups can proceed smoothly and make data-based decisions. 3. One of the key elements of the Lean Startup methodology is called the Build Measure Learning feedback loop. This loop refers to learning to create products, measure performance, and improve products through feedback. This loop is repeated over and over until the product is successful in the market. 4. Ries also emphasizes the importance of creating a culture of innovation within startups. This means encouraging employees to take risks, experiment with new ideas, and learn from failures, and by creating a culture of innovation, startups can preempt competitive advantages that help them succeed in the long run. Overall, The Lean Startup is a startup guidebook that emphasizes the importance of fast experimentation. By using iterative product development and customer feedback and data to make informed decisions, and by focusing on building products that customers actually want, startups can create a culture of innovation that helps them increase their chances of success and maintain a competitive edge. MVP is the base version of a product that can be tested with early adopters to gather feedback and validate the product's marketability. MVP's goal is to build a product with functions that can satisfy early customers while minimizing the time and resources required for development. Deploying a minimum viable product, MVP, involves creating a base version of the product with sufficient capabilities to satisfy the initial customer while minimizing the time and resources required for development, and several steps to implement it are as follows. 1. Conducting market research, the first step in identifying key problems in product development. It is necessary to investigate the target market and understand their requirements, preferences, and grievances. 2. Problem definition. Once you understand the target market, find the problem the product is trying to solve. It helps to focus on key issues that need to be addressed in product development. 3. Competition analysis. Analyze competitors and products to find what you are doing well. Then, compare and analyze what they lack. 4. Perform a user test. Perform a user test to collect feedback on the product. It helps to find usability problems or areas that need improvement. 5. Consider technical feasibility. Consider the technical feasibility of the product. It is necessary to identify technical limitations or problems that need to be solved in product development. 6. Prioritize key issues. Once you have identified key issues in product development, prioritize them based on the following. It is the impact on the user experience and the technical feasibility to solve it. 7. Determining essential functions. Develop a list of functions necessary to solve key problems. Focus on the minimum feasible functions sufficient to satisfy early adopters. 8. Determine required features. Create a list of features needed to resolve key issues. Focus on the minimum feasible functionality sufficient to satisfy early adopters. 9. MVP test. When MVP is developed, it is time to test next. Collect feedback on the product from early adopters and use it to refine and improve the product. 10. Repeat. Collect feedback and use it to repeat MVP. It is to continue to improve the product and add features that customers find useful. By following these steps, it is possible to solve the core problems of the target customer while minimizing the amount of time and resources spent on development. MVP's goal is to test assumptions and collect feedback, so you shouldn't be afraid to change according to the feedback you receive. Thanks for watching. Another day, another story. It was 7 sentences in the book. Subscribe and like are a big boost to me.